God damn, bitch. Alright, freestyle over big booty bitches. This is like freestyle number one, so I'm gonna get straight into it because I got a whole bunch to do. So, yeah. Uh, big booty, freestyle, swag. Uh, Seen a big booty bitch and she made my day. Then I smack her on the ass till she run my way. And when she get close, I'ma say hey. I'ma say hey. I'ma say hey. Man, that ass so fat. Oh my god, what I do? I just drool out my mouth and my jaw drop too. When she walk, when she run, I'ma look, then I'm done. But that ass got me spurned, so I pick up my tongue. I'm like, damn, lil' mama, pull over, woo, woo. Then she gon' bounce that ass while I swag, Wu-Tang suit. Fat ass, fat ass, fat ass, fat ass. I don't know what to say, so I say fat ass. Oh, hold on, bitch. Hold on, bitch. Hold on, bitch. You a big booty bitch. Hold on, bitch. Hold on, bitch. Hold on, bitch. You a big booty bitch. Like, hold on, bitch. Hold on, bitch. Hold on, bitch. You a big booty bitch. Hold on, bitch. Hold on, bitch. Hold on, bitch. Big booty bitch. Swag.